playing off this inverse fair value gap here. S&P took out the 930 low, filled its opening range gap, and now I want to see if it wants to take out these relative equal highs here. That was from July 7th. My worry is this is gonna retest this wick here. That's my worry. I don't want anything closing below this fair value gap either. Oh, S&P's daily is testing a imbalance right here. Pretentious area, in my opinion. Love to get some momentum going up. Want to get some momentum going up. Up, 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 up. Take out this swing high for me, please. I'm going to take one off once it gets to this 930 high. Five minutes working this fair value gap here. But it's already taken out that 930 low. I'm thinking that's the sell side liquidity that's good enough for it to take out these relative equal highs. $10.36. I'm just gonna go a little below those highs. We did take out the day high in the 930 open. They don't want to just stab into here and then come down. We've got two candles here that's already respected that area. This area right here. Wow, thanks. That area right there. Now we're in between two fair value gaps. Ugh. Where's this? I want to see where this 5-minute candle closes here. Okay, 1 more minute for this 5-minute candle. It's got to close above this. I want to see it close above that level. I really want to close it above consequential encroachment here. Get above there, get above there. Stay there. Stay above that consequential encroachment. Stay there. Okay. Okay, now I wanted to respect this down close candle here. Hopefully this acts as a propulsion. Well, I don't know. NASDAQ showing some strength here. Love to see it. Love to see it. We've already stabbed into the day's high, man. I'm gonna sell one. I'm taking one off. I feel pretty comfortable here, I think. Don't want it to come down. You know what? Once this high is taken out, if it takes it out, I think it'll inch its way up this those relative equal highs. See, now it's me just going sideways here in the top portion here. What are those salad days, man? 10:43. Watch this 5-minute candle. $15-minute candle's about to close. I'm risking $10 here, right? NASDAQ. Working this 5-minute SIBI. Don't know if it's catching a bid or not, but that respected its down close candle here. NASDAQ's got a little, it's got its own little SIBIs to work with. 10:46. Clear these guys, close above these guys here. Okay. Okay. Pretty shallow. Don't like seeing that. Would really like this candle to close around the top half of this down close candle. Don't want to see that repriced. Gonna take this off for now. Working at the top of the quadrant of today's trading range, or this morning's trading range, I should say. NASDAQ is looking bullish. Want this candle to close above this part right here. If I can get that candle to close above that, that'd be great. This is the last minute. 10:49. Okay. Closes there. You know, because I'm at consequential encroachment, I'm just going to go one tick below. One tick, the stop loss is one tick below that consequential encroachment here. Maybe that's too shallow of a run, but I'm already in profit, so I just want to see if my analysis works out. Working that imbalances here. See those imbalances? Look at this wick. Stabs into those imbalances there. And I want to see some movement upward here. I want to see during this macro, take out this consolidation here. Macro being 1050 to 1110. And hopefully not stop me out. But if it does, then so be it. Also take a look at the hourly on the S&P here. We had this SIBI that we worked all the way through yesterday. Here is, where is it? 4 o'clock was right here. Overnight session. Trades above it. This morning we trade back to the top of it once and then twice. But the day high might just be enough. Day high might just be enough. Yeah, okay. Back to the main screen. Price is coming back down here. It's going back and forth with those. Okay. Now it is this imbalance here. It's gonna put a body on this imbalance over here. Big rejection. $10.53. Let's see if it lays a up close candle on that imbalance. Oh, man, it just feels that. Okay. 1054. Let me get rid of this because it's a little hard to see. Did we get one more body above that imbalance? Did we close above? Oh, look. Comes back in here. What time is it? 10:55. Comes back into that 5-minute SIBI. Look at the bodies over here, though. Spinning the bottom half of that SIBI. But the down close candles here, we've been respecting this down close candle. Order block, propulsion block. $15-minute, lots of wicks. Long wicks around this. Lower half has been problematic. 10:56 right now. Oh. So consequential encroachment of this wick happens to be that 1-minute imbalance. Okay. Doesn't like it. Doesn't like it. Okay. Showing some strength here. Come on. Show me some strength. Okay. We're at these relative equal highs. Okay. 10:58. Let's see. The 5-day range, the average 5-day range has been 86.5, and so far we've moved 50.25 handles. Okay. So far the range of the day has been 50.25 handles. Average is 86.5. I'm also watching, where is it? I'm also watching the NASDAQ here. When the NASDAQ hits its top 5-minute fair value gap, I might move just, I'm gonna move this right now, man. My stop loss is gonna be above break even. $5. I want this thing to rip higher. Just rip higher, right into here. But the NASDAQ doesn't seem to be as enthusiastic. So we hit the day high one more time. I don't want it to come back down here. Okay, so we have this 5-minute candle here, closes out this SIBI. I would like the top quadrant of this inverse fair value gap. This portion right here. I want the bodies to stay above that or within that. I don't want any bodies below the halfway point. What a slow grind up there, huh? 1102. Ugh. Yesterday the S&P was just shy of making a new low. And is it going to be just shy of making a new high? We are in the July 5th new week opening gap. July 5th, new week opening gap. The day high is right there. It's respecting it so far. Look at this hourly candle here. See this hourly candle? Look at that freaking wick, dude. Halfway point, 75, 45, 25. Hopefully we don't have to go back in there. This is just a lot of back and forth here, this range. This makes sense. This makes sense. But you know, you never really know. Okay. Back to the main. Oh, I don't know why that's on. Okay, so the NASDAQ has now has a 5-minute candle closed above that fair value gap there, that SIBI. A lot of consolidation here too. Okay, we're just about to touch today's high. 1106. Okay, gets past today's high. Move my stop loss a little bit more. So NASDAQ gets into that upper SIBI of the day. If it hits it, it hits it. If not, then it doesn't. I'm glad that we got this analysis right here. Taking out a new day high. Just a slow grind up there, especially for NASDAQ. NASDAQ just a huge. NASDAQ was grinding up really slow. Now I'm watching this little fair value gap on the 1 minute. This BISI here. There's some imbalances here as well. But let's see if it just wants to tag this buy side up here in the macro. You can put in a 1 minute breaker. It's actually this, I think it's this whole thing here. Hey, we're almost there. Come on now. We're almost there. Is it running out of gas? Come on now. Get up there. Tag it. Tag it. Tag it. Come on. Get up there. Yeah, come on, you want that? Yeah. Oh my goodness, tag it. Oh my goodness. This candle right here, come on. Ooh. I gotta wait for the next candle? Oh, there you go. Order filled, baby. That's the noise of order filled. Woo! We're out of here, man. Nice trading day. See you.